Segment 4, Water. Food and Fun After School is a free curriculum designed to create an environment for children to develop healthy habits in their out-of-school time. Drinking too many sugar-sweetened drinks, as well as eating sugary foods like candy and cookies, can lead to dental cavities and may increase the risk for being overweight, diabetes, and heart disease. The largest source of added sugar in kids' diets isn't cake, cookies, or candy, it's drinks. These drinks add extra calories that don't make us feel full. Water keeps kids hydrated best. Water is calorie-free and cheap. We'll cover ways to provide water for your kids, facilitate interactive activities, and provide parent communication. There are 2 units in Food and Fun After School that offer great ideas. The behavior goals for the units are: children will drink water at every snack and when they're thirsty. Children will drink fewer sweetened beverages. So how do we convince kids of the appeal of water? It starts with key messages. Drink water instead of juice or soda at every snack and meal. The environmental standards for nutrition and physical activity in out-of-school time programs offer key actions that can foster healthy habits. This segment will highlight the environmental standards of serve water every day and do not serve sugar-sweetened beverages. Here are some tips to achieve these standards.
Turning off vending machines is a really big one, or replacing the products that are in the current vending machines with healthier options.
We see a lot of juice in after-school programs, and we really think that whole fruit is a much healthier option. So one strategy is just to replace that juice with a whole fruit, add some water, and then you have a great snack.
We decide to keep the water available for the children at all times during the day, and if they come off-site or go into a different room, we make sure that each group has a water jug with cups so that they can keep it handy and available at all times.
That included some of the popular drinks, juice drinks that they would normally bring in. So we also banned those from the program. And we started by banning those from our own celebrations so that it would encourage the children not to bring them with their lunches and their snacks.
Each unit has fun, interactive activities to reinforce the message for the kids. So it's time to learn about them now. Bowling for Sugar Smarts. The objective is children will try to knock down pins with healthy Sugar Smart drinks to get points. The first team to collect 50 points wins. The materials and preparations are: you need to collect and clean 10 plastic bottles per team. 12 to 16 ounce size water bottles work well, and make sure you do not use large square bottom bottles. Remove label from the bottles and replace with beverage points label. Print out the label page with beverage names and points. Copy 1 set per team. Cut each label and tape at least 5 healthy options to each team's set of bottles. The healthy options are water, low-fat milk, 100% fruit or vegetable juice. The sweet beverage options are fruit punch, Kool-Aid, lemonade, soda, and sports drink. Small balls such as spongy soft balls or tennis balls, 2 per team. Set up bottles as you would for setting up bowling pins on one side of the large room or quarter. Use masking tape to define the bowling line. Here are the instructions. Small teams will work together to knock down the pins and collect points based on the beverage bottle that was tipped over. Each player will bowl 2 balls and add up the points based on the following system. Water equals 3 points, low-fat milk equals 2 points, 100% fruit juice, 1 point, flavored milk, 1 point, all other beverages equals no points. The first team to collect 50 points wins. Remind the players that milk and water are smart drink choices. Explain that 100% fruit juice has a lot of nutrients, but it does contain natural sugars, so it should still be consumed in small amounts. Flavored milk contains the healthy nutrients like calcium that regular milk has, but it also contains added sugar. Sweetened drinks like soda, fruit drinks, and sports drinks are loaded with sugar, which are not healthy for your body. Now it's time to learn about Sugar Surprise Relay. The objective is teams relay race to collect the Sugar Surprise food cards and arrange them correctly from low to high sugar content. The materials and preparation are simple. You have your Sugar Surprises food cards. You copy and cut out 1 set per team of 8. And then you just need your Sugar Surprise answer list. and you could print that out for your information. This is how you play. Arrange food cards on the floor, table, on one side of the room or gym, and have one set available for each team of 8 children. Instruct the teams to line up on opposite sides of the room. Each player will take turns running to pick up a food card and return it to the team. As the food cards are returned, the players arrange themselves from low sugar to high sugar. Note, if there are not enough children for teams of 8, have smaller teams arrange the foods in line on the floor and allow some children to go twice to collect a card. When a team is done, check their order. If it is correct, they win. If it's not correct, return all cards back to the starting point and have the team repeat play until they can organize the foods correctly. When all teams have correctly organized the foods, allow winning teams to give hints to other teams. Review the answers and ask if there were any surprises in the order. Show them the answer cards that include the amount of sugar listed. Water and low-fat milk are the best drinks to have at snacks and meals. The children get a great visual with Count It Up. The objective is that children, individually or in pairs or small groups, will learn that there are different amounts of sugar in different products. You'll need the Count It Up worksheet, a copy for each child. The instructions are simple. Distribute the Count It Up worksheets to the children. Review the instructions for calculating teaspoons of sugar from grams. 4 grams equal 1 teaspoon. To do this, they will color in one section of the pie for each gram, so there will be 1 circle or teaspoon color for every 4 grams of sugar. Children may work in pairs to complete the worksheet by coloring in circles to determine teaspoons of sugar in various foods. Once they have calculated the teaspoon of sugar, they will use the worksheet to measure out the actual teaspoons for each food item. Children will either pour out 1 packet of sugar per teaspoon, stack 1 sugar cube per teaspoon, or measure teaspoons directly from a bowl of sugar onto the plate. Look at the piles of sugar on different plates. Ask, what do you think about all the sugar in the different foods? Does anything surprise you? Drink water when you're thirsty. Engage with children with Gulp. The objective is children will track how much water they drink throughout the day. You need a small poster board for each child, or you can use a large poster board for the entire group. Stickers to represent cups of water, a variety of grocery bulletins, circulars, food magazines, nature magazines, or other types of magazines, and assorted colored markers. So you have children draw a calendar of the week, squares from Monday through Friday on their poster board, and decorate it with images of water to remind them to drink water throughout the day. Have children think about their school day. How many servings of water? Demonstrate 8 ounces or 1 cup serving with water bottles. How many servings of water did they drink today? You can demonstrate with 8 ounces or 1 cup serving with water bottles. Encourage kids to use the coolers or cups they decorated to refill on wall throughout the school day. Have them record the number of water servings by posting 1 sticker per cup under today's date. Repeat this activity each day during the week. Ask the children, when did you drink water? At lunch? At gym? In class? What did the water taste like? Where's your favorite place to drink water at school? Or at home? At the end of 1 week, calculate how much water the group drank. It's important to make water fun and exciting for the kids. A good way to do that is with Silly Water. Let's see some examples now. All you need is plain water and fruit and vegetables for flavor, like lemon, lime, cucumber, orange, melon slices, or raspberries. Even have your kids suggest different things. Let the fruit or vegetables sit in a pitcher of ice water for at least 10 minutes. Now, it's time for a taste test.
Juicy. I think this one was the best time we tried because you taste the orange a lot. Really good because I felt like I was eating the cucumber by itself.
As you can see, Food and Fun offers so much for the kids to learn, do, and share. Drinking water is essential. 85% of a child's body weight is water, and even the human brain is 75% water. That is why it's important to share this message with parents as well.
Getting rid of those sugary drinks that kids are eating, soda, Gatorade, sports drinks, fruit drinks, things like that.
Juices have as much sugar as sodas do, so I tell the parents all the time that water is the best option. Water and low-fat meals should be served during dinner time and lunchtime.
We just want the parents to understand that drinking water is the best way to keep their kids hydrated, especially when we're trying to have them out and active. It's better to replenish them with water than anything else.
Now it's time to recap. Strive for the environmental standards of serve water every day and do not serve sugar-sweetened beverages. Do fun and interactive activities to promote drinking water. Get started today.